Okay, so what we're going to do now, we're going to dial in the correct amount of refrigerant to go into the system. You can see I'm simply pushing the buttons on the scale and it's moving to the refrigerant level, the capacity that we want to install. The spec for this system is 2.25 pounds of refrigerant. I have the correct amount dialed up and I'm simply going to toggle charge. You can see the red light and the blue light. This represents my low side of the system, my high side of the system. I can select which side of the system that I want to charge through. The red light is lit, it would charge on the high side. Blue light is lit, it would charge on the low side. Both lights are lit, it'll charge both the low and the high side of the system without the vehicle running. Tells us charge is in progress. You should have been able to hear the refrigerant start entering the vehicle. It's counting up to the amount of refrigerant we dialed into the machine to charge into the air conditioning system. Once it gets to our 2.25 pounds, it'll let us know it's met the amount we've dialed into the machine, and it'll stop. We're almost at 2.25. We're about 3/100ths of a pound away from being complete. What the machine may do, if it cannot force 100% of the refrigerant into the system, it'll ask us if we would like to retry, and it'll also prompt us to crank the vehicle up, turn the system on. Here we go, right here. It told us it charged the amount. If it did not complete that full amount, we would crank the vehicle up. We would use the vehicle to finish the charge process. The vehicle running, compressor running, it would finish the charge process on the low side of the system only.